Hey, beautiful people. Welcome back to my channel. Today, we're diving into a topic that many of us deal with: pigmented lips. If you've been searching for ways to brighten and nourish your pout, you're in the right place. Let's explore some amazing remedies and tips to get those lips looking their best. Step 1: Understanding pigmented lips. First, let's understand what causes pigmented lips. Factors like sun exposure, smoking, dehydration, and certain medications can contribute to discoloration. Genetics also play a role. Knowing the cause is the first step to finding the right remedy. Step 2: Hydration is key. Hydration is crucial for healthy lips. Start by drinking plenty of water throughout the day. You can also incorporate lip balms with hydrating ingredients like shea butter, coconut oil, or beeswax. Make sure to apply it regularly to keep your lips moisturized and plump. Step 3: Natural remedies. Now, let's talk about some natural remedies you can try at home. 1. Beetroot balm. Beetroot not only adds color but also nourishes your lips. Simply mash a small piece of beetroot and mix it with honey. Apply this mixture to your lips for about 15 to 20 minutes before rinsing. It can help lighten pigmentation over time. 2. Lemon and honey. Lemon has natural bleaching properties, while honey is a great moisturizer. Mix 1 teaspoon of lemon juice with 1 teaspoon of honey. Apply this mixture for 10 to 15 minutes. Remember, do a patch test first, as lemon can be irritating for some. 3. Almond oil and sugar scrub. Exfoliation is key. Create a scrub using 1 tablespoon of almond oil and 1 tablespoon of sugar. Gently massage this on your lips once a week to remove dead skin cells and promote blood circulation. 4. Pomegranate seeds. Crush some pomegranate seeds and mix them with milk cream. Apply this to your lips for 20 minutes. This remedy not only helps reduce pigmentation but also adds a natural tint. Step 4: Lifestyle changes. In addition to these remedies, making a few lifestyle changes can help. Sun protection. Always use a lip balm with SPF to protect against sun damage. Quit smoking. If you smoke, consider quitting. It can significantly improve the health and color of your lips. Healthy diet. Incorporate fruits and vegetables rich in vitamins A, C, and E to nourish your skin from the inside out. Step 5: Cosmetic options. If you're looking for quicker solutions, consider these cosmetic options. Lip tints or stains. Opt for natural, hydrating tints that provide a pop of color without drying out your lips. Professional treatments. If pigmentation is severe, consult a dermatologist for treatments like chemical peels or laser therapy. So there you have it. With these tips and remedies, you can take great care of your pigmented lips and enhance their natural beauty. Remember, consistency is key. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more beauty tips. Stay fabulous, and I'll see you in the next video.